Look at this dude.
Thank you.
It's very true.
Whoa! Whose voice was that? That was sexy. Wait, why are we laughing? Who was that?
Everybody corpse. Everybody corpse, everybody.
Hello.
Oh my fuck. Hi, corpse. What you doing tonight?
Playing Among Us.
Oh my god.
You swing for a different team, but you still play ball, don't you, Danny boy?
You're a horrible person.
I know, it keeps me awake at night.
What do you mean, no?
I mean, no. You want to hear it in Spanish? No.
I'm 147 pounds of pale skin and fragile bone, okay? Sarcasm is my only defense.
You called the police before you called me?
I'm supposed to call you first when I find a dead body?
Yes! Now, what should we do about the 20-foot wall of windows?
Dead body?
No, a body of water. Yes, dumbass, a dead body. It's Biles. Call me Biles or I swear to God I'll kill you. Depends on how you define lying.
Well, I define it as not telling the truth. How do you define it?
Reclining your body in a horizontal position. He's failing 2 classes. He's a little socially awkward, and if you look close enough, his jawline's kind of uneven.
Well, what's wrong with him?
What's wrong with him? Do I have a PhD in lycanthropy? How am I supposed to know that?
You faint at the sight of blood?
No, but I might at the sight of a chopped off arm.
I'm not giving it back. I'm not giving it back.
Tamara!
I feel so dark and mysterious.
I don't care.
Now I know why you dress the way you do.
Open the door now.
It's my turn. Shut up.
¿Dónde estás? ¡Contéstese! ¡Te estoy llamando ya hace rato! ¡Te mando WhatsApp! ¡Te mando mundas! ¡Te mando... ¡Adiós!
Lo puede abrazar, querer abrazar y dormirte con él. Buenas noches, pelito.
Buenas noches.
Welcome back to Shigaraki Rates My Hero Characters. You love them. I hate them. Let's get this over with. Ah! No arms having ass. He really tried it. He really fucking tried it with us. And guess what? Guess who always comes out on top? Me, bitch. Me. Have I ever told you guys how much I like rabbits? I would risk it all for you. Just you and me.
Name something that gets rotten. You said society. Survey says. Name something that you live in. You said constant fear. Survey says. Name something that makes you itch. You said dry skin. Survey says. Name someone who everyone likes but you hate. You said All Might. Survey says. Name a product that you refuse to use. You said chapstick. Survey says.
I will see you there. And by will, I mean won't. Back! Don't worry, Louise! We're gonna get you out! How are we gonna get her out? Maybe we should smoke her out.
Louise, are you sure there isn't something down there you can use to climb out?
Oh, wait! Here's a grappling hook! Oh, and here's an escalator! Silly me!
We're about to die, Louise! Do you really want your last words to be sarcastic?
No!